In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start dropshipping on Depop. First, head to Depop.com. Depop is a social shopping platform known for fashion, vintage, and unique pieces, so we'll approach dropshipping with that style-forward audience in mind. Keep everything ethical and clear by only listing items you can actually source and by describing them accurately. Start by searching for an item to gather ideas. Type in a product you're considering and study what appears. Look closely at styles, photo quality, price ranges, and especially what has sold recently. Note common keywords sellers use and how they position their listings. This quick scan will tell you what buyers are responding to and which gaps you could fill. Choose a category that aligns with what you want to sell. Use Depop's filters to narrow down into specific niches like tops, sneakers, or accessories. Pay attention to the aesthetic and the vibe of the category, colors, fits, and trends, so your picks feel at home on the platform. Now research and select products. Look for reliable suppliers with consistent stock, clear shipping timelines, and neutral packaging. Read reviews, check return policies, and verify size charts and materials. Estimate your margins by accounting for Depop fees, shipping, and potential discounts, and aim for products that can handle those costs while still leaving profit. It's smart to focus on 1 to 3 product categories at the start. A tight catalog helps you build a cohesive shop identity and makes it easier to write accurate descriptions, answer questions, and restock without confusion. Use trending tags to see what's selling on Depop. Browse current tags and sold listings to identify patterns in style, color, and fits. Incorporate relevant tags and keywords in your titles and descriptions, but keep them honest and specific to the item you're listing. When you're ready, list your products. Create clear titles with the main keywords and write detailed descriptions that cover condition, materials, measurements, fit, and care. Upload high-quality, well-lit photos from multiple angles. Set pricing that reflects your cost and the market, and be upfront about processing and shipping timelines. If your supplier includes any marketing materials, ask them to remove those before shipping. Process orders promptly. As soon as you get a sale, confirm the item's availability with your supplier. Send a quick thank you message, and prepare to share tracking once it's generated. When a customer buys, place the order with your supplier and input the customer's shipping address exactly as provided. Choose tracked shipping when possible, double-check details, and keep the buyer updated until delivery. That's it. Follow these steps, stay consistent, and you'll be set to start dropshipping on Depop with confidence.